of different Bible apps, so choosing the right one can be confusing. That's why I'm going to showcase 3 different Bible apps and their features to help you decide which one is the best for you. And the first one is the YouVersion Bible app, which is right here. So we're going to open it, and as you can see, there's a verse of the day, and on the top right hand corner there's a streak, the lightning bolt with the 2. That means that I've opened this app 2 days in a row, so it can really help you to be consistent. And obviously to the right, so here's the home, then on the right there's the Bible, which is, the regular Bible. I mean, not regular Bible, but like the Bible, you know what I mean? It's not like extra stuff, it's just the Bible. The Bible is amazing. Don't want to say it's regular. So there's NIV, ESV, all the different versions you can have. I like NIV the most personally. So what I really like about this is that there's plans, and there's all types of different plans, like all different topics: love, anxiety, anger, healing, that they have. So you really, whatever you need, like this app is probably gonna have a plan on that, whatever you're looking for. Like I think they probably have like thousands of plans. So let's just go into this one, The Decision by Wande. Shout out to Wande. She's a Christian rapper. I really like her music, and she's got a devotional. So let's just start this plan, and you can see what it is. Let's do by myself, and I don't care if people see it. So it tracks days. So like each day is one day. So today is the January 11th. So it's like today is when I started it, and then tomorrow is going to be another thing, another devotional. We click on it, you guys see. So the like one day, the artist, like she wrote this, and so it's like her thoughts on it and the verses, and then there's the verses that follow the devotional. So it's really cool, and like each day it's a different one. And then here I'm just gonna complete this so you can see what it does. So you go through here, and now you can add a reminder, so you will get a notification, and that will also help you to be more consistent with it. So I really like this app because of the plans, and because I just feel like it's very modern and it's pretty easy. Hit the like button if you enjoyed that tip. And the next one we're going to go to is the Easy Bible. So it's the Easy Read Bible. So I really like this app. It's super simple. It's probably the most simple Bible app that out of the 3 that I'm showcasing. So like it's like just literally the Bible, and it's pretty easy to use. I feel like it's just such a simple format. And then you can go into here where there's reading plans that you can do, and maybe you're like, I don't want to do a year, but I can do like 90 days, so you can do that. And then you can also do like historical, chronological, like reading the Bible in order, or you can go do canonical. Wow, these are hard words to produce, but you can do canonical, which is like Genesis to Revelation through the whole Bible. So you can do reading plans that can also help you to be more consistent. And there's a daily verse that they have. There's a daily verse, a daily gospel, and a daily psalm. So there's like 3 different aspects. I love that part about this, like, because it's not just like one part of the whole Bible, but there's like one part in each: the gospel, psalm, and the daily verse, which are essential parts of the Bible. So, and then there's statistics, so you can see how much you read and your duration and your readings, and like when you read, and you can also see like what books of the Bible you've read and the percentage of each book that you've read. I love that. Like I honestly might start using this app because of like the numbers. So I just really like this app. It's super simple. It tracks your stats, which can help you be more consistent as well. On Holy Habits, I help young Christians develop consistency in their relationship with God by helping them overcome inconsistency by giving them simple, powerful tips. So if you're new here and you're a young Christian and you want to get consistent, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. And the next one is Audible. So this one has the Bible on it. So you can just type Holy Bible, and we're going to click on the first one. And this one is a sample of an audio. So I'm going to play it, and you guys can hear it.
And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas.
So I love this because it's super nice, because you can listen to this whenever. Like if you're in the car and you're tight on time, but you are traveling to work or traveling to school, that you can just play this on the way, and you can still like be consuming the Bible. So it's really awesome. And also Max McLean, the dude's voice is like super nice, and I just like listening to it because he has a nice voice, and it's a good audio book. So I will make sure to link the audio book for this and the Audible free trial, so you can get a free trial. This is only a sample, but you can get the access to the whole thing through a free trial, which I will link in the description of this video. Reading the Bible is one thing, but understanding why it's important for spiritual growth is a whole new thing, and it can motivate you to read the Bible more. So watch this video on why reading the Bible is important for spiritual growth on the left.